Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be seeing how we can import and export our materials, videos, audios, images, and files. Not all the files from our base machine or from our laptop or our PC into our CapCut. It could be anywhere, even if you're having the software on your Android phone or your iPhone. You can how to import. I want to show you how to import. In our last tutorial, we saw how to download and install our code software on our laptop or our PC. So today, what we are going to be seeing is we are going to be seeing how we can be able to do what to start using this software. This CapCut is a very good video editing software that as I explained in the previous video. If you didn't watch it, please just try to watch it, and then so that you can be able to follow follow the trend as we are going. You watch how to download and install the CapCut on your laptop or your PC. Now, today, what is it that we are going to be doing? We are going to see after downloading it, we need to get some materials inside to work. When I'm talking about the materials, I'm talking about how you can import your videos, your audios, or your images. So we are going to be seeing how we can import the images. We can import even an audio, or we can import our video into our CapCut too, and how we can edit, we can work on it. And then I'm going to show you also how to export them. What if you have imported? As we assume you have imported your files and you've already edited the files. Now you have to export it so that you can be able to upload it. Maybe you're uploading it for various purposes on your YouTube channel or your TikTok or your Facebook account, whatever the account you want to upload the videos, that is your choice. So, but today I'm going to show you. So coming now on this software, this is the software, this is where we ended last time, in our last tutorial, in the last class. So you see here we have the import button. This import button, all you need to do is just to click on import. When you click on import, what happened? It's going to take you inside your file explorer where you need to select whatever you want to import. Let's say these are the things I want to import. I want to import this video. I want to import these images. These are the things I want to import. So what you just need to do is just need to select them and just click on open. So automatically all of them are imported here. Can you see how easy it is? All of them are imported. If you want to view any of them here directly, if you just click on it, you see, it appears here. You can be able to view. And directly from here, if you want to stop, like what is going on, you see, it is just navigating. You see, you can use this to control the part of what you want to view. Like you see, if you want to stop from where you want to view how you can go, this is it. You see, if you click here, the image is going to appear here for you to be able to see what is it that you want to work with. So you're going to do so many things. Now we are going to also see in the videos also differently. We are going to be seeing also how to trim your videos, how to what to record voice over video, how to even create a background, how to create your thumbnails also from this CapCut. So today what I'm just showing you is just how to do what, how to import your files. You can import as many files as possible, many videos. Okay, these are audio, these are images. What if it's a video I want to also show? This is a video. So from here, automatically you can control it, you can stop it, and you can play it. You can see it is talking. So you see, you can get it. The video is playing. So you can just pause, means I've stopped it. Means that I can now edit this video, maneuver it. And if I want to edit the video, what I need to do is that what I just because for example, if you see here where you want to see in this particular video, you can just do what you can use this to drag and drop whatever position you want to see it. You can do that. You get it, whatever the position you want to see it, you can view it. You want to view it. And if I want to work on it, I want to do some editing on it, what I need to do is just to drag it and drop it down. Just drag and drop. Then from there, now you see the various tools, editing tools will be highlighted. So you see all of this are highlighted. Everything is highlighted, means that what if I want to edit this video, the various things you want to do, we are going to be seeing those things, the various options and how to work with in our next class. We are going to keep the videos very short and simple and easy. So today we are going to focus on what we are here, which is to import and export our images, our audios, our videos. So what if, let's assume I already got everything. I have already done what? I've already edited everything. Let's say I've edited everything because if you want to see what I just added from here, you can see if I just click on play, it will just be going to show all the things I've added there. You can edit and do just drag and drop whatever you want to add to that video, how you want it to be. Drag and drop. Let's say I'm done editing this video. Everything I want in this file is done, and that is what we want to do. Everything is finished. So now the next thing is that I want to upload this because you need the file, everything you've done. You need it to be able to do what to use it. To export it is pretty simple. There are various ways you can do that. And mindful of you, there are other things we can do, and we are going to be seeing all these other things in the different classes. We are going to be seeing how to do all these other things to work with them in different classes. So now let's assume we are done. How do I do that? The next thing I need to do is, unless I'm just going to click on what? Click on export. When you click on export, it means I'm done editing the video. Everything is excellent. The next thing you need to do is that for you to export this video, you need to give a meaningful name because you want that name. Wow, you've already done all your editing, so I should be able to recognize that on your PC where you're saving it by the name. Let's say I'm just giving the name as, I'm giving it as CapCut. CapCut. And then you need to specify where do you want to, the location in which you want to save this file. Now let's say I want to save this file in my C drive, and let's say you want to save it in the desktop or wherever you want to put it. How do you want to save it? Where do you want to save the file? Depend on you. Let's say I'm saving it back where I took, I'm just saving in this folder. So you need to specify this, select the folder, automatically I've selected it. And then whatever you want to change here, I'm just going to go with the default because it's okay for me. I don't need to change anything. And then the next thing I need to do is I need to click on export. So what you see is exporting the file. It's exporting this video. The video is being exported. So we just have to wait for some few seconds or minute. It depends on the size. And it's going to export it for us. Then when we export, we are going to close. Let's just wait and see. So the exporting is taking place. Just have to wait. It's going to get through. Almost done. Now it's done. So now you see when it's done, there are options. Maybe you want to directly upload it to your YouTube account directly or your TikTok, or you want to first of all save it on normally it's good to always organize your files and keep them on your PC or whatever your phone or whatever you're working on, because this CapCut software, it is also on your PC, your phone, your Android or your iPhone, and also your PC or your laptop. So if you want to upload it directly to your TikTok, fine and good, you go with that option. You want to go to YouTube, go. But for one, I always love to just go as I've downloaded, because obviously it is already on my PC right now. It is already stored in the PC. So if you want to see it, if I just open where I saved it, this is it. See, this is it. I'm getting it. I gave the name as CapCut. This is it here. This is the video. These are the other three that we took. So it is already here. If you want to be sure that that's the video, if I click here, just look. Let's see the things we added there at the end of it. Right. You see it's going. Now I'm just going to take it towards the end. You see, these are the images we added there. You see this is the other image we added at the end when we're working, we added there, isn't it? That is it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be I'm just closing it not to play since we are already working on it. So that's it. Or you want to share it with somebody, you can click on share. Or you want to open a folder where you kept it, where it is being stored, you can open and you're going to see. If you want it to be visible, like for example, if in case the way you're sharing it, you want it automatically visible, that's it. But I'm just going to click here cancel because we are done with this. We have seen how we can import and export from what? Export a file from the this in CapCut software. And mindful of you, when you import, you edit it, you export it, it is still going to be here. Whatever you brought, the materials you brought here, this is whatever you've worked on maneuver here is what you have edited, you have exported. All the materials means that the video, the audio, whatever you had that you imported with, they are going to still remain there. The project, because remember it was a new project we created, is going to still remain there. That anytime you can come and see edit it the way you want. So that's it. Thank you so much. Look forward to other things I'm going to be explaining everything here. And before we close this video, if you have not liked this video, please try to keep a like, and also subscribe to this channel. Then when you subscribe, can you click on that? Can you hit that notification bell so that you get notified? Because this is a whole series tutorial that we are going to be going through. You get notified whenever we upload new videos. Every day we are going to be uploading new videos concerning this software for you to be able to understand, and other softwares, how to use them, because it's very easy. Please subscribe to the channel, share with others, and do keep a comment in the comment section. Tell me how your experience is and tell me how you're getting it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.